Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 7 latest defense updates. Number 1, India and Safran to talk about 100% TOT on AMCA engine. India's quest for self-reliance in advanced aerial warfare takes a major step forward with the DRDOs and French aerospace giant Safran engaged in crucial talks regarding the engine for the nation's 5th generation fighter jet, the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, AMCA. Safran's offer of 100% transfer of technology marks a significant shift in India's defense partnership. This implies complete access to the engine's blueprints and manufacturing know-how, fostering crucial domestic capabilities. Next, GE plans minor tweaks on F404 India's engine for India's Tejas. GE Aerospace, a key partner in India's LCA Tejas program, is gearing up for performance upgrades on the F404 IN-20 engines powering the fighter jet. This move aims to enhance operational efficiency and potential reduce life cycle costs for the Indian Air Force. Next, Indian defense giant eyes laser dominance, DRDO's DEW plan. The Defense Research and Development Organization is aiming to revolutionize aerial defense with a game-changing weapon, a lightweight 100 kilowatt direct energy weapon that is DEW. This powerful laser promises to provide a cost-effective and nearly limitless solution to neutralize low-flying drones like those deployed by Russian forces in the Ukraine war. Next, decision to be taken on engine partner for AMCA. The skies above India buzz with anticipation, not just from the roar of fighter jets but also from the ongoing debate surrounding the engine for the nation's ambitious AMCA program. DRDO Chairman Dr. Samit V. Kamat's recent statement acknowledging discussions with Safran for engine development while keeping the door open to other options reflects the critical crossroad India faces in this pursuit of aerial dominance. Next, DRDO's counter-drone system takes center stage. India showcased its growing technological prowess during the recent Republic Day parade, particularly in the realm of air defense. The Defense Research and Development Organization developed a counter-drone system that played a crucial role in securing the event, making a significant step towards in safeguarding critical infrastructure and vulnerable areas from unmanned aerial threats. Next, DRDO is witnessing a remarkable surge in the productivity and impact. As revealed by DRDO Chairman Dr. Samir V. Kamath, nearly 4.94 lakh crore worth of DRDOs developed products have either been inducted into the Indian military or have received the critical acceptance of necessity from the Defense Acquisition Council. Next, India and France agree to cooperate in Southwest Indian Ocean. India and France have agreed to intensify cooperation in the Southwest Indian Ocean, building on the joint surveillance mission carried out from the French island territory of La Réunion in 2020 and 2022. The two countries also welcome the extension of those interactions in India's maritime neighborhood. These interactions may contribute positively to the securitization of strategic sea lanes of communication, according to the Indo-France joint statement. Next, thank you.